Look, there's some lovely bush tucker. That's Pigface. That's the flower. And it turns into an edible fruit after that. Isn't it gorgeous? It's like a cactus flower. I think it's related to ice plants and things. There goes an intruder. Anyway, there's a beautiful Pigface flower. Don't recognise Pigface anyway. It has edible fruits. I think it's called, is it called something fig? I'm not sure, but it does have a fruit. So there's a beautiful flower, and there's a flower bud beside it. There's a flower bud, and around the back there, that's where the fruit will form. The edible fruit will form there. It's sweet, and it can be made into jams and things. Can you eat the leaves? I think you can eat the leaves, as I recall. I think you can eat the leaves. They're sort of salty. Anyway, it is a bush tucker plant. It's definitely known for its fruits. There's a beautiful bee. What a lovely little bee. My boyfriend has to start soaring just when I'm filming a bee. Isn't it lovely, that little bee? Is it a native bee? A little bee getting pollen from a pigface. Bush tucker, eaten by our first people for thousands upon thousands of years. Glorious flower in the afternoon spring sunshine. So we've got lots of pigface all over the place now, and we'll have plenty of bush tucker just growing in the grounds. There's a pigface flower. It hasn't opened yet, but you can see there's a bulbous part that will turn into a fruit. There's another that will turn into a fruit after it's flowered. Plenty of pigface all over the place. Good bush tucker.